What up, YouTube? It's T7 Blakey. Today, I'm reacting to a video blind dating based off high school pictures. Wine with the sauce. Go run the shit up. Show some love. For me, I'm live on Twitch at T7 Blakey, same as the YouTube. I do reactions over there. I do gaming over there. Right now, we reacting to Claymore and Records of Ragnarok. That's our recurring reactions right now. We do those at the end of the stream around 11 p.m. every night. Right now, we on chapter 6 of Claymore. That might be wrong, low key. I ain't even gonna get chapter 6 of Claymore, and then we on episode 5 of Record of Ragnarok. So go show some love over there, run that bitch up, and run up this video. I'm trying to get some more exposure, get on the For You page and shit. So get some likes, get some comments, show some love, subscribe if you fucking with me, and we gonna get right into this reaction. Right. Some niggas might be thinking, damn, he wasn't gonna like the video. We gonna like the video, but only if we fucking with the video. I'm probably gonna fuck with the video, but can't do that shit in advance. Come on now. Alright, let's get into this bitch though.
YouTube, man, what is good? It's your boy, Ron with the Sauce, back with another freaking video, man. Hey, look, bro. As y'all can see, bro, we back at it, bro. Back at it, you feel me? First, we did blind dating based off baby pictures. We hit an M.
Okay.
Second, we did blind dating based off middle school. We did
Cool.
Find the K.
We just watched that the other
So
day.
on this one, let's run back that meal, y'all. You feel me? In today's video, we'll be blind
You ran a
dating
meal?
based off
Damn.
high school pictures. You feel me? High school, you start
That's
to
a fire.
grow
That's
into
fire
yourself.
shit.
You feel me? You start to grow into your older self.
Hey, hold on,
Middle school,
hold
that's
on.
your rough stage.
If they
High
pull this
school, you
bitch out
start to
one more
get it,
time,
you feel me?
move
So,
the
if
camera,
you're new to
move
the
the
channel,
gram, move
make
the
sure you
gram.
smash the like button if you haven't. Comment if you haven't subscribed. Roll to Find the K, no cap.
Based off what I can see right here, yo, this panel is tough. This panel is looking tough. The middle school panel, it was ins and outs with that bitch. At least with the fits. The fits was ins and outs. The basic bodysuit, that shit cool. But the panel tough. They got they shit on. They all looking good. Damn. Yo. This nigga, he pulled out the good ones for the high school.
Hey, so man, as y'all can see, right? Y'all look at the picture real quick. Let's start with my ladies, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Some of them look different, but some of them look the same. You feel me? Like, get these pictures real quick.
And
my
high school.
guys, bro, y'all
Depending on which year they
look the
pick.
same for real. A lot of
What
y'all
year
look
they
like
grabbed the
probably
photo
y'all
from.
junior year, you feel me, senior year type shit. But it's like one photo on here. She looked like she was a freshman right here. I ain't gonna lie.
I was gonna say same thing.
Look,
That same
who wanna
one.
go first, bro?
I picked that
Who
same
wanna
one.
go first? Who wanna go first, bro?
Don't be shy now.
My
Nigga,
ladies,
say
y'all look
something.
like y'all scared to step up, man. Y'all step on up. You feel me? My ladies like they scared, so my lady's going first. She volunteered to go, so you step around real quick. Who I got with me, bro?
It's Jada.
Okay.
Instagram, JA.FUZ_23.
All right, bet. Hold this right here.
Jada
You
cool.
walk
She
up
got
and
the
down
bodysuit
line,
on.
You judge the pictures type shit, and go from there. And pick who you want.
We ain't gonna say too much. When it comes to talking about the bodies, we gonna be cool. We ain't gonna say too much. If it ain't nice, don't say it at all. Type shit, right?
I like your fit. Yeah.
You like this fit? Like,
Yeah, he look like
you
he
had that
dressed.
shit on in high school?
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
He looked like he was fighting in the bathroom.
Oh, right here?
Yep.
Hey, hold on. Let me see. Hey, you
Nigga was a bathroom baller.
Pause. Hey, so look, go ahead.
Nigga was a bathroom baller. Said he was letting them have it in the bathroom. Shit, that's nigga. Shit. Whoever, if I'm with the sauce edit his own videos, then he said it. If not, his editor said it. Nigga, pause.
Down the line.
Damn, what the fuck?
Go ahead.
He can dress, yeah.
You dress?
Yeah.
She was looking hard for something nice to say. Damn.
Yeah. He was getting kicked off the bus.
Okay,
You know.
okay.
He look good. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Why not?
Oh,
He do
okay.
too.
Oh, shit. So look, if you had to choose one guy, if you think they glowed up after high school, you feel me? Who you picking? If you had to pick one.
That gum shit, man. Come
I'm a
on.
video.
She ain't doing too much. In that middle school video,
Y'all probably thought I
there's
forgot the
one nigga,
blindfold.
the way he
But
was
I feel like
trimming
I'm
that
gonna
gum
wait
was
for you
pissing
here
me
for
off.
You wigger. Hey, she had long ass toes anyway.
Damn, he not fucking with the
You feel me?
toes.
So pretty much, I feel like it's somebody else in the building that you want to pick. So
Oh.
you go out online.
Y'all hear that? Just real quick. Yeah. First of all, I'm sorry. To anyone like me, I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna play back for the people in the back, alright?
So pretty much, I feel like
Just listen.
somebody else in the building that you want to pick. So you go out online, you judge these middle school pictures, and yeah, let's do it. If you had to choose one, you feel me? Like
That shit right there. Bro. Nigga. Why is you smacking the gum like that, bro? I hate niggas who smack gum like that. That shit is so annoying. It's just fucking irritating. Like, why is you smacking the gum? Nigga, just chew the gum. Nigga, smacking that shit. Like, stop. That shit is so annoying, nigga. I can't stand that shit. It's trifling and it's annoying. Nigga, I don't want to fucking hear the sound of your saliva gushing in and outside. This shit, bro. That shit irritates me, bro. I don't want to hear the sound of your saliva gushing in and out of the gum while you smacking it between your crusty ass teeth, man. Like, chill, bro. That's it. Like, just chill. Like, just chew the gum. Chew the gum. Why is your mouth open? Why is you... Nigga, chew the gum. That's it. Damn.
then they glow it up, glow it down. You feel me?
That shit was annoying.
Grab this. Don't put it on yet. He has to accept before you put it on.
Yeah, she picked
go
that
back around
first
behind your
nigga?
picture. All right, so my boy, you come around.
Yeah.
What you got with me, bro?
Man, it's D-Scat the one, man. You
Yeah.
feel me? Hey, it's girl.
Hey, look, y'all was talking shit in the last video because I messed up one time. So look, this lady right here, she chose you, bruh.
He did mess up.
So
Fuck.
based off high school picture,
That nap,
you accept
man.
or you rejecting?
Eyebrows thick as hell.
Hey, she might have slimmed them
Look at
up.
my eyebrow face, too.
I see it.
Damn.
Yeah, them shit might done slim down a little bit.
Hold on.
I'm in the
There's
car,
two
shawty.
people in that photo though. Which one is that?
Yeah.
All right, so look, you ain't
Okay.
even put the blindfold on.
The one
Come
up
around
front
real
with the
quick.
camera.
So pretty much, based off now, would you accept or you reject?
Nah, you cute though. I don't fuck with your shoes though.
I fuck with
What the fuck are those? Yo, hold on. I was trying to. At first, I was like, I was just trying to, fit the vibe, use my soundboard a little bit, because I'm, trying to find the right moments to play that bitch, make sure I'm on timing with it. I didn't even mean to bust out laughing. I didn't mean to bust out laughing like that. Shorty, please. Please. Up your shoe game. To the fine shit out there. Please. Up your shoe game. And look. If you not fucking with it, if you don't understand it, you don't know what to do, like whatever is stopping you from being on top of your shoe game, niggas, as long as they not too fucking busted, like I hate busted sneakers, but as long as they not too busted, as long as they ain't too dirty, like they don't make you look dirty, cause your shoes, them bitches so busted that it's like, ugh, damn, oh, is you busted too? Is you busted too? As long as they ain't too busted though. Just wear some busted ass shoes. Nigga, the Forces, the Converse, worn Forces. Nigga, it's to be expected, If you wanna put the J's on, take care of them J's. But if you crease them hoes, it's okay. Nobody gonna look at your shoes though and be like, you ain't gotta walk out and shit like this then. Ain't gotta walk out and shit like that. And like if your shit not really fitting your fit, it's cool. And then, y'all good. Get your toes done and shit. Have your toes out and shit. Put on some slides, some Uggs, some fuck. Like yo, you ain't gotta be too serious with your shoe game. It's different for niggas though. We niggas be on top of your shoe game. I'm telling you, that shit matters. Make sure your shoes is with your fit. Don't just be throwing on shoes just to throw them on. And like when you making your fit, keep the shoes in mind. Keep in mind, especially when you shopping for clothes. Keep the shoes you have in mind, cause you don't want to spend damn near $200 on some new fits, and then you ain't got no shoes that's really rocking with them fits. So then you gotta go spend at least like another $80 on some shoes. Keep your shoe game in mind, cause when you don't keep your shoe game in mind, you end up like this. What the fuck? She got the bodysuit on and then those goofy ass shoes. She could have had some baggy pants on with sun, man. That shit.
Don't do that. I'm about to say they smooth, but hey,
they smooth.
It's his opinion.
What she say? What she say about the what?
I'm about to say they smooth, but hey, it's your opinion though.
It ain't from the USA.
Yeah, you feel me? But I'm still.
Yeah, she.
You gonna decline?
Yeah.
I bet.
Said them shoes
you walk off
ass
the
up.
floor. You feel me? So pretty much when you reject, you already here. So it's your
Damn.
turn. So here,
I got to pick.
yeah, you gotta go up and down.
She
the line.
volunteered to
Judges
go
follow.
first too.
Crazy.
You feel
Volunteered to go first. The nigga rejected her. She had to lead the game.
me? See what?
What the hell?
Damn.
Who got a bandana on?
Hey, them girls look like bananas in high school though. I ain't gonna lie.
Her eye God damn, her eye big as hell.
Oh,
Okay, she G.
Oh, God.
Why is this
You ain't
nigga
know
flaming
about
them all?
you know. I fuck with her hair. That shit slick as hell.
Okay.
Let me look at y'all fits though.
No, these ain't fit. He's based off of these right here. You feel me?
Exactly.
Oh,
Nigga
man.
not watching and not following the rules of the vid.
Right here.
I'm gonna have to.
All right, so look. Hold on, why'd you choose her? You feel like she glowed up?
Yeah, probably. You feel me? I hope so.
I hope so. All right, so look. Let me get
Hey,
that.
pack this
We
nigga
gonna
up. Get him
go
on
real quick.
in the
All right,
fucking
so
round.
walk
Damn,
around
what
this
is he
way.
talking
All
about?
right, so look, bro, who we
That
got
nigga
over
look
there,
fire.
Hey y'all, it's me Zaya. Follow me at Zaya Lee
Mm.
_
Hey, bro, last time she was in the vid, bro.
She
She
cool.
was getting on somebody's head, but we ain't gonna say too much. That shit went viral though. I ain't gonna lie.
Hold
You
on.
know this?
Fit check. It's cool. She did what she did. I don't know what the shoes looking like. But it's all matching. It's all matching. No, it's if that's her style, she did her thing.
All right, so pretty much, this guy right here, he chose you. Based off high school picture, you accepting or rejecting? Based off that picture right there, y'all let me know in the comments right now if y'all think she gonna accept or reject.
I'm a reject.
All right, so step back real quick. Stay right here. All right, so look, you come around real quick, gang.
You
So,
ain't look different.
so pretty much, okay, this is where you get the redemption at right here. So, based off now, you said he looked different from there right there. You feel me? He got dreads and everything now. So, are you accepting or are you rejecting? What we doing?
This is gonna laugh and then
Hey,
come on now.
Should I change her mind? That's what I'm saying.
No, I'm a reject.
Oh, shit. Why you rejecting?
He's just not my type.
Okay. I thought you
Damn.
were guessing real quick, but
Yeah, I'm
Niggas here to find love. 2 rejections already. 2 rejects already. Damn,
you feel
that
me?
shit tough.
Appreciate you, my boy.
Oh, why she keep laughing at the nigga? Damn.
off the chain.
What you mean? Like he look like
What?
Yes,
this
like.
idiot, right?
How y'all said and was?
Oh, he could dress. Oh, he was a light skin for real. Oh, he looked the same. Okay.
He looked the
I'ma
same.
go
What?
with-
What you gonna go with, bro?
Oh, look the same as somebody else, I'm guessing.
All right, shit. All right, look. You go around that way, step back behind your picture. Hey, my boy, she went with you. Come around real quick, bruh. What we got with us, bruh?
J Chance, man. Go look at my brand.
Hey,
One chance.
tough. Hey, y'all gonna catch me in that motherfucking gear, man.
Oh shit, that shit shut. That shirt is tough, yo. I don't know what the fuck he said about his band and shit. I'm just saying that shirt is tough. I can fuck with that shirt. That's a cool little shirt right there, man. Oh, what the fuck? That's the wrong. That wasn't meant to happen. I'm still figuring out the soundboard and shit. I hit the wrong one. Plus, glazing the shirt. That bitch tough though. I can fuck with that shirt. That's some shit like I put that bitch on when I'm feeling. Ain't my usual style, but like I style that hoe. Depending on like what I'm about to do, where I'm going, I could definitely style that hoe. That's something like I keep in my my rotation and my arsenal type shit.
What we got with it?
Hold this. Before we get into
Nah,
anything,
I said that wrong. Not in my rotation, in my arsenal, just in my arsenal.
walk down this way real quick. Walk with me, Clint. Walk this way. Woo. Alright, so look. Put the mic up so you can hear.
Yeah, she look straight.
So she told you, bro, this is what she look like in high school. It's not promising that she still look like this.
You know what they say, you know what I'm saying? Some good looking, when they get older, they don't be looking short, right? So
Oh shit. So this what we about to find out. So you accept or reject it?
I accept.
You accept? This where the blindfolds come in real quick. Put that over your eyes real quick.
Feel like you're getting kidnapped. Here. Put it right here.
My eyes darting around because it's this fucking gnat, man. I done slapped the
Alright,
shit
so
out of
look.
this nigga 3 different
You
times.
said God, please.
And he's still flying.
Ask my guy real quick. You think you gonna still accept based off
This
now?
nigga playing?
We about to see.
Okay. You think you gonna accept based off? You feel me now?
What you gonna see?
We're gonna see. So when I count to 3, I want y'all to remove these blindfolds. All right? 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, we smooth.
We smooth.
Okay, that nigga
based
was
off
that.
now, y'all both accepting?
Yeah.
Yeah?
ahead and walk
Yo, let's go. First match, okay?
Yes, sir. Hey, look. Y'all let me know
Found
in
that
the
shit.
comments if you feel like
Cool.
one of your favorite couples or that was a bad pick. My
a
guy
bad
just
pick.
went. No, my lady went.
would've been a bad
so
pick.
we on to my guys. Since my boy, since you ain't been in town in a little minute, you come around real quick, bro. Who I got with me, bro?
This your boy Quan with the baddest.
Oh,
Make
that's
sure
the
you follow me
bathroom
on
baller.
Quan
It's the
with
bathroom
baddest.
baller.
Tap in with that boy, man.
Please tap in.
All right, so look. Go ahead and get the
Nigga
picture
said,
real quick.
please
Yours?
tap
You
in.
feel me? Floor is yours.
Said, please.
I like her right there.
Please tap in.
What is it about it that you like? You feel me in high school? Like, if you think back to your high school self, why would you feel me you like fuck with her type shit?
I don't know. I like how she take pictures. Like,
All right, bet.
I don't really know about this one right here. I can't really figure her out yet.
Who? Which one?
This one right here.
This one right here?
Yeah, she got that look. Like she want to say something, but she don't want to.
Okay. Pretty much, you were saying she was skeptical.
Yeah, she was skeptical right there. I don't really know about her.
So let's go on down the line. What about them two right here?
I know she a red bone. She automatic check. I just like them red girls, so she alright. She alright.
Okay, so you got 2 red girls right here.
Yeah, I got 2.
So what about this one right here?
This one right here. I don't know.
You don't know?
She might be the one.
Oh shit!
She
So
might be the
look,
one.
this
might
your
be the
world,
one.
It's your flow right now. Mic is in your hand, so you make your choice.
Make a
Based off
decision,
high school
nigga.
pictures,
You
who
can
think
only
like
have
you
one.
type shit That you will fuck with now,
I like this one right here.
right there.
Yeah.
Type shit.
Okay.
All right, so look,
Okay.
you step back behind your picture, just
Some
go on these
chill
right here.
shit.
You feel me? We're gonna make it easy for my peoples, man. So you step around real quick. Who I got with me,
Let's see
man?
what we looking
My
at.
name is Angel.
Oh,
ANJIL.
she back? She was in the last one, right? She's in the middle school one. I think. I might be wrong. I'm pretty sure that's her though. Okay, shit, welcome back.
Angel C on the Instagram.
She popped up again. She said she was gonna find her love. But
I'm tired of you not.
Check
Now-
out.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hard, bro. Tap in.
I thought she found a match in the last one. I could be wrong. I thought she found a match in the last one. I guess not. Maybe that shit ain't work out. She had to span back.
I appreciate it. Check out my rap videos. They're gonna be dropping more soon.
Type shit. So look, step right here. This brother right here.
Bathroom
Chose
baller.
you, man. He was like based off high school pictures.
Bathroom
Like,
baller.
now, you that girl, you feel me? So based off his picture, would you accept or reject?
I'm a reject.
Why is that?
That wasn't my type.
What was your type in high school?
Honestly, I didn't really have one, but that wasn't.
Okay.
That wasn't her
you
type,
changed your mind
but
now.
she ain't have a type.
Obviously, your
Okay.
type changed because you said that wasn't your type in high school. So if it comes to a guy like right now, what is your type like right now currently?
Like, nah, I can feel it though.
Like
I can
me.
feel it though. It makes sense.
Like you.
Yeah,
you.
like me.
Explain that. What does that mean?
Yeah, explain. Come
I
on,
think
man.
I'm cute.
Okay. So you want a guy that look like you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So look, step around, gang.
All right.
Stay right there. So pretty much, based off right now, would you still reject?
I think your outfit is hard.
Yeah.
She's trying to let him down easy.
I like check marks. That's one.
About to
check mark.
reject.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I will rock your fit, but I'm gonna still have to reject.
It's out to reject. All right, so look, take your picture down, gang, real quick. You feel me? Make sure y'all hold on to that picture for the end of the video.
Cold War.
Watch the
Cold
matches,
War.
all matches. But you walk
Hey.
out real quick, gang.
It's cool because he said he was winning them bathroom balls, man. That nigga used up all his
I wanna
wins.
see what you
He used up all his dubs in the bathroom. It's cool.
What you into now? You feel me?
Okay.
So we got 3 guys right here. You feel me? We got 3 guys. So go ahead, walk down the line, judge each picture, and yeah, y'all guess in the comments right now who y'all think her type is.
Why she?
No, we not there. This way. This way.
Okay.
Yeah, we trying to keep it even.
She's trying to guess.
Let's see. Is that Bryce?
No, I don't know that brother.
Oh.
I don't think that's Bryce. I
It
don't
looks
know.
like a Bryce.
He do look like Bryce though. I ain't gonna lie. He look like Bryce.
I'm gonna go with this one because I like his shoes.
I'm guessing they went to high school together or
You
something.
would have fucked with him because of his shoes.
I would have rocked the shoes. So.
You would rock the shoes. Okay,
I knew
man.
each other.
Let me get this.
I guess they
Step back behind your picture real quick. So
they
look,
on type shit.
my guy, walk around that way, bruh. Come on down this way, gang. Come on down this way. Who we got with us, bruh?
You already know it's your boy H Go Brazy. Y'all follow me on the ground.
Tap in with my boy. So look, you remember which one chose you?
Nah, I know about the shoes, but
He
Okay,
fit
so
in with
okay,
his
which one you
dreads,
think
I
it is?
guess.
Based off shoes, right here.
yeah, her right here.
All right, so look, based off high school picture, gang. What we doing? Accept or rejecting?
I don't reject. She cool and all though, but she talking about she like my shoes. Like what? I need a little bit more than that.
Okay.
But she
Oh,
smooth though. I
picked up
fuck with her. She smooth.
Okay, I see if you fuck with her now then. You feel me? So step right here.
This nigga
Right.
bullshitting. You see how?
He
Hold on. This nigga bullshitting. He talking about something. I'm gonna reject. Cause I feel like she only said she just mentioned my shoes. He talking about something. He needs something deeper. Whole time he peeping what's down the line. That nigga he want what down the line. He dissatisfied.
I need a little bit more than that.
Okay.
But she smooth though. I fuck with her. She smooth.
Okay,
I
I
just-
see if you fuck with her now then. You feel me? So step right here. Let me see that mic.
Oh, for sure.
All right, so look, he rejected pretty much based off the picture. We gonna see if he changed his mind. So you step around real quick.
Oh yeah, you bad though. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, them high school pictures. So look, pretty much, you accept it,
Okay,
basically.
we can stop that.
Yeah, I was tripping.
Okay.
Fuck my shoes.
So based off now, you still accepting?
Oh, I get to accept or reject now?
Yeah.
Oh, you did me dirty as fuck.
I ain't do you.
Based off now, it was based off then.
Yeah.
Then he was like, "Come on, twin."
Hey,
Like,
I seen you came around. I was like, hold on, I'm tripping. What you think now? You good? We locked, right? No? Damn,
What I say? That nigga was looking down the line. He wasn't fucking with that high school picture. That nigga was just looking down the line like, let me try and get something better. Then she popped out. That nigga was like, damn. That nigga felt that shit. He's like, He sound this nigga sound hopeful as fuck now. He like, hold on, let me take it back.
I'm a reject.
so you rejected because he rejected first?
Yeah.
Shit. But look, if it came down to it and he did not reject, only reason why he rejected was simply because he was like, damn.
Your shoes.
Cause
That
you-
makes sense.
It's not like your show.
I don't like your shoes. Think.
Okay.
good reason for me.
So look,
Alright.
I mean, this nigga looking for nigga. This ain't no fucking one-on-one speed dating type shit, nigga. This ain't no get to know you real quick type shit, nigga. How you looking for more depth? The fuck is you looking for, nigga? It's high school pictures. What is he looking for right now? What? Talking about some that wasn't enough.
So look, I'm gonna give y'all a second chance. Would both of y'all still accept or reject?
It's on you.
Hey, reject that nigga. Pack that
I'm
nigga
gonna
up.
walk off.
No. You can answer it truthfully.
I'm gonna accept, bro. Alright.
No, she said, bro, like, what are we
Yo,
doing?
she's playing.
I'm gonna accept.
She playing.
Alright, so grab your picture real quick. Hey, in the comments, bro, please don't say, Ryan, you forced it, bro, please. You feel
He
me?
did
I
though.
was
You
just
low-key
trying to-
did though.
You feel me? Because I feel like they was fucking with each other, but, you know, they started off on the wrong foot. You feel me? Man, that's where I come in at, and I try to, you feel me, push out the love, you feel me? So look, hold this real quick. This is another match. Y'all clap it up for another freaking match. Let's do it. Y'all walk down.
Okay. I don't know how I feel about that match, but they got one. They got one.
I was just trying, I just try to come in and just show some love. So we got 3 ladies,
too happy about that
2
one.
guys, you feel me? So pretty much, it looks
I be
like one of
forgetting
y'all
these
are not
soundboards,
leaving with anything
Damn.
type shit. So, let me get you real quick. Come around. Look at her. No, you're not following the rules. Well, you here now, though. So look, who I got with me, bro?
Bianca Jasleen, BIANCAJSLENE _ on Instagram.
Okay. The girls is tough. Let me know how y'all feel about girls with girls, though. Let me know how y'all feel about it. I love a girl with bases, though. I love bases. That's because of like past experiences, though. I got a thing for bases now. She gave me that. Let me know how y'all feel about girls with girls, though. Like her teeth. Them bitches silver. Like, hold on. What's that one Pokemon? Hold on. Oh, you found this shit real quick. Hold on, let me find this shit real quick. Damn, bro. There's low-key too many of these niggas now. Fuck. And they ain't doing nothing but showing some sun and moon bullshit. Damn. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Let me get the fuck up off of this. What the fuck? Yo, I can't find it. But y'all know that one Pokemon, that wolf Pokemon? It might not have even been a Pokemon. It just might have been in the anime I watched. But it's like these dogs with these metal fucking mouths, metal jaws, bro. That's what the fuck she looked like to me. No cap. I gotta be honest. That's what bitches with grills look like to me. It is what it is, honestly. Shit.
Jasleen, BIANCAJSLENE _ on Instagram.
Alright, bet. Make sure y'all tap in, man. So you down to 2 guys. You feel me? You down to 2 guys.
You look like you bully bitches
Actually,
because
cool.
you like them.
I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
So
Like he play fight and shit.
type shit.
Man, he said he was taking the phones and shit.
So I'ma hit the.
No. He didn't. You feel me? Just
Hey,
you only got 2
I like dreads.
type shit.
I'ma fuck with you. You
How
feel
you know
me?
he got dreads now? How you know he don't got dreads now?
I ain't even worried about all that.
Okay. So you going here?
Yeah.
Oh, so look, you step back around type shit. Well, you go back underneath since you didn't follow the rules anyway. All right, step around real quick, gang. All right, so look, pretty much who I got with me, bruh.
It's your boy Bryce, not too chill on the grind.
Right.
You feel me?
Chill type shit. All right, so pretty much, bro, I'm finna lead you to who picked you type shit.
Alright.
She said she fought with dreads, and Sally, you don't even have dreads now.
I know that's crazy.
All right, so look,
That's crazy.
she picked you, man. She picked you. So based off high school picture, are you still accepted?
Nigga
or you
was
rejected?
quiet. Nigga was quiet.
I wonder what grade.
Thinking
I guess
hard.
what
This
grade.
nigga.
Yeah, what grade you was in, twin? Freshman.
Freshman.
Nigga
Okay, so like
contemplating. What the fuck?
she ain't fully got.
It's
the
a
ability,
yes or
she
no,
freshman
man.
type shit.
So you feel me?
So I'm gonna give it. Yeah, I'm gonna give it.
What iPhone was that?
Like the 5.
Alright,
Now
so
look, I'm gonna give it a benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna say yeah though, cause like you feel me? I'm
you
gonna
feel
say-
like she's on piped up.
yeah, type. type shit.
Okay. So look,
Yeah.
where the blindfolds go? Alright, so pretty much we done got the blindfolds type shit. You go back underneath real quick. We gonna cheat real quick. We ain't even gotta do too much. Penguin, here you go. Go ahead and blindfold yourselves. Walk up to here and blindfold yourselves, so y'all don't gotta walk too far. Alright, so pretty much we gonna do it like this. I got y'all blindfolds on. Alright, squat down just a little bit. Come underneath. Alright, come up. Squat down. Squat all the way down.
You said squat?
Like, come underneath.
Oh, okay.
All right, right here. So, pretty much, based off pictures, y'all think y'all accept now?
It's crazy though, cause she cool, but them girls is just unattractive to me.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna say yeah.
Okay. So on 3 type shit. On 3. I'm gonna need y'all to remove those blindfolds. Oh, she ain't look. She had eyes closed. All right, so look. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So,
Yeah, she got the slug.
she rocking them shits. Come on. She got rocking them out here. All right, so pretty much they done complimented each other and some more shit. You feel me?
Yeah, tapping with the Cardi.
Okay. So y'all accept it?
Yeah.
Let me get my blindfolds back before y'all walk out with them. All right, so look, grab y'all pictures, type shit. So pretty
Happy
much.
shit. That's a
today's
cool
video,
match.
Y'all a match. You feel
That's
me?
a cool
So
match.
go ahead and walk
Happy
off. Y'all
shit.
clap it up for another match. We'll do it.
Happy shit, cool shit.
All right,
Found
so
they love.
we down
Tough.
to 1 guy, 2 ladies, bruh.
Damn.
So
Hey,
I'm
just let that
guessing in
nigga
high school, y'all probably wasn't
lay
like
up
that
with
type
both.
shit.
What?
I'm just saying. But now you feel me? Y'all probably done piped up. So we down to my last guy. My last guy could possibly take 2 home. Just cough. Just saying. So you walk around real quick.
They
Come right here.
talking about some hell
I'm
nah.
telling you. Who we got right here, bro?
Y'all, Jonah, man. Follow me on the gram at Jonah_Contreras and subscribe to my YouTube, OP on Jonah.
Make sure y'all tap in. Like when they say they ads and stuff,
Calm Blue Plain
they
Fit.
really mean it. Go tap in with them, see what they got.
Calm Blue Plain
So,
Fit.
we down to 2 ladies.
The jorts is crazy.
Shit.
Hold on. What year was this? I think this was. Look. It don't even fucking matter. This was a year ago. Jorts in 2024 is crazy. That's insane, bro. Jorts in 2024 is crazy.
You know what I'm saying? So, I mean,
You going with 2?
might as well, bro. Go ahead and clear it out.
All right, so look.
But they not bad jorts. Like they be some ass jorts. Those some cool jorts.
Type shit. So he
Those is cool
chose
jorts,
both
at
of
least.
y'all. You feel me? He was like he fucking with y'all high school type shit. So y'all both come around.
This nigga shooting from full court. This nigga trying to shoot from full court.
Okay.
But y'all go follow me, baby doll, Leah. Y'all already know my face
Hold
by
on.
now.
What just happened? Quality dropped real quick. Hold on. Couldn't even tell what the fuck was happening. Turn this bitch up. Couldn't even see her face.
Is that Sheila Antonia?
All right, bet. Step up real quick. Step up. So pretty
Her fit
much-
tough. Her fit, both they fits is tough. Her fit tough though.
It's 1 guy left,
Making
and he was like, "Shit, it's only 2
she's
of
stink
y'all,
facing.
so I'm about to
Damn,
both.
she's not going with
Would
that
one of y'all
nigga.
pick him or both of y'all?
She's
pick
not going for
Based
that
off the
nigga.
picture, I'ma just say no. He looked like he was in the hallway asking girls where my hug at, and I don't know about that.
Damn.
Like it's just giving light skin. I don't
Okay.
know.
How about you? I feel like you fucking with me.
I would go. Yeah.
You would go? So look, you just go ahead and step off because already you. No, hold on. I'm gonna see if my boy gonna secure this motherfucker. You feel me?
If he can secure this bitch.
Pretty much.
can get
y'all
it,
just step
secure
around.
this
We don't
shit.
Like this, bruh. Y'all stay right here. You step around, gang. Step around, gang. So pretty much, you said you would accept, right? Would you
Why
accept
she
her?
look off like that?
Okay, so look, you said you would reject.
Yeah.
Would you still stay with them?
No.
Talking about
Okay, walk
something.
off real
I'm
quick.
gonna accept that.
Hold on.
On some spicy shit. I think I know who I want though. I'm gonna go get a mic to them though.
Oh shit! Hold on.
Hmm.
Wanted somebody-
Hmm?
Damn, she done took the mic.
Oh.
She want the cameraman? Yo, cameraman is getting play, okay? The cameraman's turning up, man. This low key been a season. This low key been the cameraman season. Yo, Shima University just happened, man, too. Yo. And then this from 2024, but they been on the come up, low key. Cameraman's been on the come up, man. That shit tough. Hey, dub for the cameraman's, man. Dub for the cameraman's. These niggas coming up.
My boy just trying to snap it up. So hold on, sir. Put you in the game, obviously. Hold on, y'all step around this way. Step around this way. Damn, boy, shit. So, she walked off and got somebody from the crowd. So, are you accepting or are you rejecting?
How old you?
20.
I mean, shit, I don't say I accept it.
You accept it?
Type shit.
Y'all walk up
Okay,
here,
shit. Yeah. She went and got hers. She went and got hers.
Type shit.
Cool.
So, we down to y'all two. Pretty much, it look like you like what you see.
I like what I see.
You pretty much look like, you feel me? She done blushed and some more shit, so I'm guessing you accepting.
Yeah, I'm accepting.
Okay, grab y'all pieces real quick.
Okay.
Come right here, type
That's
shit.
the last
Y'all
one.
let me know
Let's
in the
go.
comments if y'all feel like this
Into
is a
it.
W match, you feel me? All right, so
Happy
in
little
today's video,
couple. There we go.
Y'all clap it up for
Cool
the back.
shit.
Do it. Y'all clap it up. Let's do it.
Let them walk off. Happy shit. Okay.
Alright, so pretty much
What happened?
that was the end of today's video, man. Make sure y'all
Yeah,
smash
there's
the
like
like
what?
button right now. Smash it right now if you
Like
haven't.
two ejections?
Subscribers,
Two
run the
ejections?
subscribers up. Let's do 300K by the end of the year. We at 222
Couple,
type shit. So
Good amount of
now, we finna
goals
bring
though.
them
Good
matches
amount
back
of
to the
goals
floor.
though.
Make sure you
Oh,
like, comment, subscribe.
like they
Go
lose
to 500K
red
channel.
carpet walk type shit. Okay. We got cameraman. She went and got hers. Our last one's right here. Cool. Oh wait, forgot about these ones. Damn. The lonelies. The lonelies. The loveless. The loveless. Cool little vid though. Hey. That's a like. That's a like. Wine with the sauce. This shit ain't missed yet. Shit ain't missed yet. Okay. Wine with the sauce. Run this shit up, man. See what are you working with right now? I keep seeing his old videos. 20 versus 2. Oh, he doing the 20 V's. He got the 20 V's on. Okay. Cool. He on his 20 V's now. Okay. Couple drops him off. Cool. Shit. He getting some names on his shit now too. He getting some names on his shit. Alright. Shit. I keep catching the shit from a year ago. Gotta tap into some of his new shit. Alright though. That's it for this reaction video today, man. Hey, like I said, fuck with me on Twitch if y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, run my shit up so I can get on that For You page. Fuck with me on Twitch, like I just said. You know, same as the YouTube. Add T7 Blakey on Twitch. We live on there, doing reactions, doing gaming. It's chill. We be yapping sometimes. It's cool vibes. But other than that, you know, whatever y'all about to go do with the rest of y'all day, enjoy it. Be safe about it. Holla at your boy. Peace out.